ఫస్ట్ హెడ్డింగ్ రాసేస్తా సార్. Okay, good morning students. Today we discuss the class number 8. So Modi method. So very important 10 marks problem. So listen. Now transportation problem. So transportation problem. Modified distribution method. Modi means modified distribution method or UV method. UV method or loop method. Loop method. So this is optimum solution of TP. Transportation means T. Very important. Modi method, loop method. So listen, I am Sridevi, lecturer in statistics and degree project. Today we discuss the transportation problem Modi method. So how to find Modi method or UV method or loop method? So now write the problem here. Obtain an optimum BFS. Obtain an optimum BFS to the following TP. So what is the problem here? Warehouse, factory, warehouse factory. So here warehouse W1, W2, W3, W4. Factory capacity, so here F1, F2, F3. So warehouse requirement. So 90, 70, 45. So 30, 88. So 50, 40, 70, 7, 10, 16, 20, 40. So here capacity is 7, 9, 18. So see here, find an optimum BFS. Optimum means to find out the Modi method or stepping stone method. BFS is the basic feasible solution of the TP. So here we have what is the transportation. Transportation means various factory items, warehouses, various capacity to transport the minimum cost. So minimum cost to transport the various values. So here to solve first it is a balanced TP or not. So here we have to take AI, now BG. So step 1 here we find out the problem step 1. Summation AI. So I equal to 1 to 3. So this is the factory capacity. Total rows. So here 7 plus 9 plus 8. What is the value here? 34 is the value. Now summation BJ. 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 14. So here the value is 34. Now summation AI equal to. Now here summation AI equal to summation BJ equal to 34. It is balanced TP. First we find out balanced TP or not. In case it is an unbalanced TP, to introduce dummy origin, dummy cost 0. So subtract the value. So here it is a balanced TP. There exists a feasible solution. Now here, what is BFS? Basic feasible solution is m plus n minus 1. how many rows? 3 rows, 4 columns minus 1. So 7 minus 1, 6. Now number of allocation cells. How many cells we find out? Number of cells. Number of cells equal to m into n. So here 3 into 4 equal to 12. Now we find out the IBFS using VAM method. IBFS using VAM method. So listen, Modi method, first step one is it is balanced or imbalanced. So balance, in case it is unbalanced, to find out the introducing dummy row, dummy column, the cost element is 0. Now the given problem is balanced TP. Now here to find the there exists a feasible solution. It is balanced, then there exists a feasible solution. Now BFS equal to m plus n minus 1. 3 plus 4 minus 1 equal to 6. Now number of cells m into n equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12. BFS using VAM. VAM means Vogel's approximation method or penalty method. Now how to find the penalty method? Now we draw the problem. So write cross the values 90, 30, 50, 10. So here availability 7, 70, 30, 40, 60, 9. So here 40, 80, 70, 20. So the value is 18, 5, 8, 7, 40. So BG. So here see here 3 rows plus 4 minus 1 basic feasible solutions. Now how many cells here? So number of cells 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s are 12. So here 12 cells. To find out the Vogel's approximation method. So Vogel's approximation method, finding the loop, finding the penalties. So here how many penalties here? Row penalty. So here the BFS solution is 6. Now we find out 6 cells. So column penalty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. BFS how many allegations m plus n minus 1. Now here we find out the penalty. What is the definition of penalty? The difference between first minima to next minima. So here the first minima is 10. Next minima is 19. So 19 minus 10. What is the penalty? 9 here. So first minima is 19. Minima is 10. Next minima is 19. So 19 minus 10. The penalty is 9. Now here first minima is 30. Second minima is 40. So the difference of the value is 10. Now corresponding to write the rows. Now here 20, the minimum 20, 40 minus 20, the penalty is 20. So first row penalty is completed. Similarly column also. Now find out first column. So 40 minus 90. Here value is 21. 21. So 30 minus 30, 0. Similarly 50 minus 40, 10. So here 20 minus 10, 10. entering into the first column. So first column, what is the minimum value here? 19 is the minimum. So here, so first column x11. X11 is the allocation cell. This is called allocation cell. This is called cost value. So x11 equal to minimum of first row value is 7. Next row value is 5. So what is the value here? Minimum value 5. Entering 5. Now here cross off. Remaining value is 2. So cross off first column. So cross off first column. Now write cross off warehouse 1. Now this is completed. There is no penalty. 30 minus 30 0. So here 10. Here 10. Now we find out row. So 30 minus 10. What is the penalty here? 20. So 30 minus 40. The penalty is 10. Now here 70 minus 20. The penalty is 50. So we observe the second penalty. So penalty means the difference of difference of first minimum to next minimum. So entering this is the second row penalty. Corresponding factory 3. Which one is the minimum? So here this one is the minimum. Now we observing third row fourth column minimum of 18, 14. So 18, 14. So what is the value here? 14 is the minimum value. So here remaining value cross off. So the total fourth column, the cost allocation value, the BJ availability value is equal cross off the cell. Now we find out the third one penalty. So this is completed. This one is completed 0, 10. So here we find out 30 minus 50, 20. So 10. So here 10. We observe the highest penalty. So highest penalty here 20. 20 is the highest penalty. So entering this one 2, 8. So this is first row, second column minimum of 2, 8. So here 2 is the minimum. Now 2 entering cross off, remaining the value is 6. So here cross off W4. Now here 2, 5 plus 2, 7. The given value is completed cross off. Now cross off factory F1. Factory F1. Now we entering into the next, we find out the penalty 80 minus 30. What is the value here? 50. So 70 minus 40, 30. So this one is completed. Now here fourth penalty, row penalty is completed. 40 minus 30, 10. 80 minus 10, 10. 80 minus 70, 10. Now we observing highest penalty in this one. So fourth column, for second row, warehouse 2. The corresponding minimum element in second row, second column. So here second row, second column, minimum of 9, 6. First write 9 row value, next write column value. So here 6. Entering 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Now completed. Remaining value is 3. So here warehouse 2. Cross off warehouse 2. Now we find out the next. So this one is completed. Remaining 30. So this one is completed. Now here write down. So this one is completed. Now only single penalty. There is no difference. So here also write 70. Which one is the highest? We are observing in fifth penalty. 70 is the highest penalty. Now entering into 70. Now 4, 7. This is fifth one. So third row, third column, minimum of 4, 7. So the minimum element is 4. So cross off 3. Cross off 3. So cross off here W3. So here the value is 18 cross of 4, so 7 3. The value is 3 cross of here 4. Highest penalty is 7, so here 3. Entering into 3, the remaining value. So here write down 7 cross of, now remaining value is 11. Here 14 plus 4, 18 cross of, so cross of f factory 3, cross of factory 3. Remaining to find out last one is the cost value. Penalty is also completed. So here completed, this one is 40. So here last one is time. Compulsory penalty is equal and the cost value is 3. Cross off. Now cross off sixth one. So second row, third column, minimum of 3, 3. So 3 cross off factory 2 and warehouse 3. Now we write the table here. So here 7, 9, 18, 5, 8, 7, 14. So here 90, the value is 5. 30, the value is 2. 30, the value is 2. 70, 30, the value is 6. 40, the value is 3. So here 50, 10. Now see the table. 60, so 40, 80, 70, 20. Here 4, 40. Here observing the problem AIBJ, 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 3 9. So 4 plus 14 18. So come here 5, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 4 7, 14. Completed this one. Now number of occupied cells. So this one is the occupied cells. Now we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 occupied cells. Exactly equal to m plus n minus 1 equal to Cn 6. Therefore it is a non-degeneracy solution. Therefore the IBFS means initial basic feasible solution. So here x1 to finding this value to write x11 equal to 5, x12 equal to 2, x22 equal to 6, x23 equal to 3, x33 equal to 4, x34 equal to 4. So here total values to enter in this value, third row, fourth column. So completed. This one is now the minimum total transportation cost. So Z equal to double summation Xij Cij. So here linear programming, the objective function, the minimum value is here, the transportation minimum cost is value. To find out here 5 into 90 plus 2 into 30 plus 6 into 30 plus 3 into 40 plus 4 into 70 plus 14 into 20. Now the value is cost of 50 Now in MODI method or a modification method to finding UV method, this one is only step number 2. Now we continue this step number 3. Now we continue this step number 3. Here MODI or UV method. So here first we find out the UI VJ values. Now here occupied cells. Occupied cells. What is the formula? Cij equal to Ui plus Vj. So here Cij equal to Ui plus Vj. Ui for all I equal to 1, 2, 3 and the Vj for all j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So taking Ui equal to 0 or Vj equal to 0. Taking Ui equal to 0 or Vj equal to 0. So here most allocation says to taking Ui equal to Vj. Ui equal to 0 or Vj equal to 0. This is occupied cells. The cost value is 19. This one is the occupied cells. 19, 30. So here 30, 40. So 70, 20. So this one is UI method, Ui. So this one is Vj. Now we can take Ui equal to 0. So this is C11, C12, C22, C23, C33, C34. Now find out Vj values and Ui values. Now we can take Ui equal to 0. Now C11 equal to U1 plus V1. So C11 cost value is 19. 19 equal to U1 0 plus V1. Now V1 value equal to 19. V1 value equal to 19. Now C12. Second value C12. C12 equal to U1 plus V2. C12 value 30. Now U1 0. V2 value. V2 value is 30. Entering V2 value 30. Simply we say that 0 equal to 19 equal to 0 plus V1. Directly we write here 19. So 30 equal to 0 plus V2. Now directly we write V2 value 30. V2 value 30. Now C22. Second row, second column. So U2 plus V2. So C22 what is the value? 30 equal to U2. We know the V2 value 30. So here 30 implies U2 equal to 0. So here U2 equal to 0. Now U2 equal to 0. Now we find out again C23. So C23 equal to U2 plus V3. U2 plus V3. So here C23 value is 40. U2 0 plus V3. Now what is the V3 value? V3 value equal to 40. So here V3 value equal to 40. Now C33 equal to U3 plus V3. C33 equal to U3 plus V3. So C33 value 70 equal to U3 plus V3 value 40. Now U3 equal to 30. So U3 equal to 30. Now we find out C34. U3 plus V4. So C34 what is the value here? 20 equal to U3 30. So here U3 equal to 30 plus V4. So here V4 equal to minus 10. Minus 10. 30. So 20 equal to 30 plus U4. V4. So So that equal to we write here minus 10. Directly we write, and also using formula to find out this one is occupied cells. What is the formula? Occupied cells Cij equal to Ui plus Vj. Now we find out unoccupied cells. Unoccupied. So unoccupied cells, what is the formula here? Zij equal to minus Cij equal to Ui plus Vj minus Cij. So here Zij minus Cij equal to Dij equal to Ui plus Vj minus Cij. Ui plus Vj minus Cij. Now here we can take unoccupied cells. Now here write occupied cells. Remaining cells are unoccupied cells. Now here write down so 50, 10, 70, 60, 7, this is Ui values, Vj values, 70, 60, so remaining 40, 80. So Ui values right here, U1 0, U2 0, U3 30. Now V1 values here 19, 30, V1, V2 30, V3 40, V4 minus 10. So here we using this formula. So this one is C first row third column, first row fourth column, second row first column, second row fourth column, third row first column, third row second column. This is the we find out unoccupied cells. Now here we are using unoccupied cells D13. So here U1 plus V3 minus C13. So U1 value is 0 plus 40 minus 50. Directly we write 0 plus 40 minus 50. So here we write. Otherwise we are using formula 0 plus 40 minus 50. So the value is minus 50 less than 0. Next again D13. Now again D14. U1 plus first right row, next right column, next cost value C14. So here what is the value? 0 plus minus 10 plus 10. So here 0 minus 10 minus 10. What is the value? Minus 20 less than 0. Now we find out D21. So D21, what is the value? 0 plus D21 0 plus 90. So write here formula U2 plus V1 minus C21. 0 plus 90 minus 70. 0 plus 90 minus 70. Now write here negative value 10, 9. So here the value is remaining. This is also less than 0. Now we find out the remaining values. Now we find out the remaining values. What is D31? D31 equal to U3 plus V1 minus C31. So here D31, U3 value is 30 and V1 value equal to 90 minus C31 equal to 40. So 31, what is the value here? 49 minus 40. 49 minus 49. It is greater than 0. Positive quantity in cell third row first column. value. So here the unoccupied cells are all are negative. That means less than 0 to complete the problem. Now check whether now at least one Tij is positive quantity. So here the positive quantity in the cell third row first column. So third row first column positive quantity. Now the unoccupied cells positive quantity is 3, 1. So third row first column. Third row first column, what is the value here? Here. Now the IPFS value table here 3, 1. Now introducing some positive quantity 3, 1 theta. So here introducing some positive quantity theta. So corresponding this value minus theta and corresponding this value plus theta. Now corresponding this value minus theta. Now corresponding with this value plus theta. Now corresponding this value minus theta. Now corresponding this value plus theta. This is called the loop structure. Very, very important. Modi method is also called loop structure method. Loop means to continue the process plus minus. Now here we are doing here. Now the penalty is here. Theta 3, 1 cell. 3, 1 cell introducing plus theta. The corresponding value minus theta. The corresponding value plus theta. Now the corresponding value minus theta corresponding plus theta. So plus theta corresponding minus theta. Now introducing this value to find out the loop structure. Now very important in examination loop structure. Here the highest positive. In case more than positive quantities, we find out the maximum positive quantity entering into theta. Now finding the value here. What is the minimum value? We find out the theta value. Minimum of first only 5 minus theta, 6 minus theta, only subtraction value 4 minus theta, 5 minus theta, 6 minus theta, 4 minus theta equal to 0. 5 minus theta, 6 minus theta, 4 minus theta equal to 0. Which one is the minimum? 4 minus theta equal to 0. So theta equal to 4. Now entering into theta, we find out the another table. So we find out another table 1, 2, 3, 4, 90. So 5 minus theta, 5 minus 4. Theta substitute place 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Now 2 plus theta. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6. The value is 30, 50, 10. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Now 70, 30. So 6 minus theta. 6 minus theta value 4. Introducing 2. Now 40, 3 plus theta. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Now here 60. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Now 40. What is the theta value here? 4. This is the positive quantity value. Now here 80. Now 4 minus theta 0. Not right here occupied cells. Now here 20. So 4 plus 40. What is the value here? 80. So here observe 5, 8, 7, 14. Completed. Now we find out again occupied cells and unoccupied cells. So interchanging same this one. So 19, 30. 20, 40, same here 30, 40. So here only changes in 70 can cross up here. Now we find out 40. So 40. Now here see third row first column. So here most occupied. Now find out again. We complete this table. Now find out the occupied cells. Occupied cells now write down 19, 30. 30, 40, 40, 20. Now, most allocation cells put UI equal to 0. Now we find out the C11, U1 plus Similarly, same as. Now C31. What is the 31 value? Changes here. Now see here. C31 equal to U3 plus V1. U3 plus V1. So 40 equal to, only just here change. 40 equal to 30 plus V1. So V1 equal to, so here we find out U3 plus V1 already finding 90. So implies U3 equal to 40 minus 90 minus 21. So here minus 21 value. So substitute here minus 21. Here what is U3 value? C34 equal to 20. So 20 equal to minus 21. Sorry, plus 40 plus minus 19. Here positive quantity 40 minus 19. So 10, 9, 1. So 3, 2, 21. Positive quantity 21. Now here 21 plus V4. So V4 implies V4 equal to 20 minus. So here value is 1. Directly we find out the value similarly. So here 0 plus 19 equal to 0 plus V1. Now write down 19. 30 equal to 0 plus 30 equal to 0 plus V2. Now write down V2. Directly we find out. Again any mistake we find out, solve this model to find out here 20 minus 21. So the value is minus 1. 20 minus 21. The value is minus 1. Here we finding the values. So remaining the values are unoccupied cells again 80. So here 70. 80 and 70. Now these values plus 21. Now here minus 1. Just change here minus 1. The table same as unoccupied cells. Now here we find out the just what is the values here changing. So see here we directly find out here 0 plus 19. So 50, 10, 70, 60, 80, 70. Now here find out directly 0 plus 40. So 40, 50, 40 minus 50. What is the value? 40 minus 50. So this is the value minus 10. Now 0 plus minus 1 minus 1. So change this here minus 1 minus 1 minus 10. So here minus 11. Minus 11. Now here 0 plus 19 19. 19 minus 70 minus 51. These are negative values. Now here 0 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 60. Minus 1 minus 60. Here see D24. D24 0 minus 1 minus 60. Now here minus 61 less than 0. D24 minus 61 less than 0. Negative quantity. Now here 21 plus 30. Third row, second column. Third row, second column. 21 plus 30. 21 plus 30 minus 8. So here negative quantity. So here negative less than 0. Now finally 21 plus 40. D third row, third column. 21 plus 40. So here write 21 plus 40 minus 7. Now here it is also less than 0. D33 less than 0. So we observe in this table all are less than 0 values. Negative quantities. So the problem is completed. Now we here write out table. So we observing all Dij values less than 0. Then go to final step. Otherwise, now again to process the loop structure and to find the values. Now finally we write the table. Now Now find out IBFS values here. IBFS